Lands on Costa Rica is excited to introduce this amazing pineapple plantation investment opportunity in the country, with an excellent return on the investment. This incredible farm is located in the northern part of the country. Total property area: 210 hectares equivalent to 520 acres. Usable area: 180 hectares or equivalent to 445 acres. Mountain area: 30 hectares or equivalent to 75 acres. Currently, the pineapple packing plant needs restoration to be 100% operational. Works, such as electrical installation, construction of frozen rooms, and structural improvements are necessary for its optimal performance, with which it will be able to process up to 600 hectares of pineapple. This farm has all the permits to always grow and export pineapple. The advantage of investing in farmland is that you will own a tangible asset which is in limited supply and which generates secured income every year. Historically, farmland has exhibited strong capital protection characteristics over prolonged periods of time, and it is seen as a much safer alternative to stocks, bonds, and other equities. Key points of this pineapple farmland investing program: own productive farmland with full title ownership of land. Full production and returns already after 12 to 18 months from initial investment of about 16% nowadays. Contractual guaranteed sale of production. 100% modern and sustainable farming practices. Projected ROI of 14% plus. Do not hesitate to seek more information on this wonderful opportunity.